Hi guys, welcome to Mahima's channel. I'm the plus one here. Today we're gonna try matcha for the first time. Both of us.
Yes.
Both of us.
We are trying matcha recipes. We'll try 3-4 recipes of matcha. We have all the ingredients, everything that are needed, which are right here. So we are gonna make a few matcha recipes and we are gonna give reviews of them today. Are you excited?
I am. So what are we making?
First, we are gonna make matcha latte, which is just simple latte. It will be cold. So let's try that first. This is the brand of matcha that we are trying today.
This is the first one we found on Amazon and then we
Yes.
bought it. That's it. This is all the stuff needed for making a plain matcha. Matcha powder and a matcha bowl. We don't have a matcha bowl, so we have our own custom bowl. And we need a sifter, but we have this chai wala sifter.
We are originally chai lovers forced to try matcha.
And then this fancy stuff here.
This is a whisker, matcha whisker. We have soaked it for a while in the water so that the bristles will get soft with the matcha.
Yeah, let's go.
So the first matcha drink is ready. Let's mix it a little bit.
I feel like I already know how it tastes.
Smells so bad. I don't like the smell. I want you to try it. Okay, I don't say.
The almond milk is overpowering the
Yes,
matcha.
it tastes like almond.
I think we need a bit more of matcha as well.
Yeah. Yeah, I think. We can try with coconut milk, the next recipe. I don't like it. I like it fine. I don't mind drinking it like
Once in a while.
once in a while just for fun.
No.
This is mango matcha.
Excited!
Let's try it.
And we
Mixing
use
it a little bit.
soy milk in this. Hopefully it does not overpower the matcha.
Yes. I mean, it looks fine.
What?
Okay, I'll
You
go
go first,
first.
you go first.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. We made the mistake of putting more matcha. I just felt like I ate a grass juice. I hate it. Where's the mango flavor in it?
Oh god. Okay.
What
I
is-
got mango. Honestly, I got mango and I felt like it was a bit creamy. But I didn't like the flavor of matcha. I'll try it again.
I think it's the soy milk now then. Is it the matcha or is it the soy milk? Where's the mango in it?
I like it better than the other one.
No, I like the first one better.
I like this better than the other one. Let's go make the other one. With strawberries this time.
Strawberries.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So this is a strawberry matcha.
I mixed it up so.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
It looks pretty.
Okay, hopefully this is nice. And we used plain milk. I think you're hiding it better.
Okay.
You should do.
Okay, I'll try.
I'm scared. Please. Please, God. And this is not even the strawberry season. We bought frozen
Frozen, yeah.
strawberries.
I hate it.
I think this is okay.
What? I hate it.
Everything sucks.
So bad.
Everything sucks. But for me, this was the winner. Do not drink matcha, guys. You cannot take it. It's just grass.
Let me just try only matcha.
Is there caffeine in matcha?
Hmm.
Oh. Oh, it's basically green tea,
Mm.
right?
If I could spit it, I would. We'll try one more. We hot matcha.
No.
Come on, we have to try hot.
Pour it slow.
So this is the hot matcha latte.
And we
I
use
go
normal milk.
We used dairy milk and then
And the process is pretty much the same.
yeah.
I want my coffee. I don't want. It's still grass, but
Warm grass.
this is better than the other cold
Tell
ones.
me if it is a bad.
No, this
That is a perfect description for this drink. Warm grass. Out of all the matchas that we have tried today, from everything from the cold matcha and all the flavors, whatever, I think this is the best. And it's literally warm grass. If I'm telling you this is the best of all of them, then
seriously, what's the hype about?
what is it? I'd rather drink coffee or tea. Yeah, maybe when I'm not, when I don't want to have coffee or tea, I want to try something different and I have the itch sometimes to go for something else, then I might try it once in a decade. But other than that, matcha is not for me, girlie. Try it. You eat, you drink it.
My stomach is so full.
If I have to recommend you guys to try one drink, I would suggest you to try the hot matcha. You might like it because I'm somebody who enjoys more hot drinks than cold ones, so I like the hot matcha more. Which one do you recommend?
I would recommend the strawberry matcha. It was alright. I think it was alright.
Strawberry
But
was.
I would recommend no matcha, to be honest. No matcha.
I
Again,
don't
it's
like
our
it.
personal
Yeah,
preference.
I don't like it. I don't like it. She doesn't like it. But yeah, if you want to try, you can give it a try for once. That's it with the video. I'll see you next time.
Bye. Bye, guys.
See you. Like, share, and
Like, share, and subscribe.
subscribe.